Are you looking to buy a home in the Austin metro area between $500,000 and $1 million and make a safe and secure investment? Then you're in the right place.
Today, we're going to break down 5 essential elements that you need to be considering when buying your home to not break the bank.
Stay tuned.
Thank you very much for tuning into the Austin City Brothers YouTube channel. Here we drop weekly videos to show you and inform you about the best of Austin and Austin's real estate. So if you live in Austin or you're planning on moving to Austin, this is the #1 channel you need to be following to stay updated with all of Austin real estate news and updates.
And if you're in the market right now for a home and you need to schedule a one-on-one consultation, free and no obligation, click that link tree below this video to schedule some time with us, and we look forward to hearing from you very soon. Now, there are 5 elements that you really want to take into consideration when buying your new home in Austin. So element #1 is the appreciation and investment value. So we're going to unpack that one today. Element #2 is the location of the home and its proximity to certain new developments. And choosing the right location can be really key. Element #3 is the school districts. Buying homes where the schools are top rated makes it a very good resale and a very good investment. Number 4 is the floor plans. We're talking about timeless floor plans and timeless building materials so you can choose the right quality home. And then number 5 is amenities and shops. So let's unpack appreciation.
Yes. So we were talking about this video and we detected that if you are buying a home in that price range, most likely this is one of the biggest investments that you make in your lifetime.
And when you buy this home, you want this investment to appreciate and become an asset for you.
For your family, for your family's legacy.
Exactly.
So that's probably one of the biggest factors you need to be looking at. And even though no one has a crystal ball as, which home is exactly going to appreciate the most, but the elements we're going to break down is going to give you a higher probability to make sure that you do get the safest investment. Now, there are 2 types of people, Artemis, right? We have the safe players, and then also we have the risk takers, the ones that want to hit the home run every single time. Well, as real estate goes with location, let's unpack that one.
So at Leander, for example, it's one of the fastest growing cities. In the past 10 years, Leander has grown from 30,000 to 90,000. And now that Apple has asked their entire workforce to relocate to Austin, Texas, and Apple just bought another 100 acres, Leander is a really good location to buy and also to hold and appreciate. There's a new development in Leander called Leander Springs, 74 acres, 4 acres of a crystal clear lagoon, white sand beaches with a convention center, townhomes, condos. So you can rest assured that anything within a 20 square mile radius of Leander Springs is going to really appreciate in the next 3 years because all that commercial development brings in a lot of growth.
Yeah, that's just one example.
Yeah.
There are many other examples like Northline Mall that is opening up literally 5 minutes north of Leander Springs. That's also going to bring billions of dollars into that location. Now, for those of you that want to hit the home run, for example, closer to Apple campus, there are few neighborhoods like Ratton Creek, like the areas in the Anderson Mill area that is the closest to Apple. Right now, there are a lot of inventory on the market. There's some older homes, but if you pay attention to the home and buy the right home 10 years from now, when Apple establishes and gets, becomes even a bigger hub, you can rest assured that the employees of Apple, which are probably going to be very high paid individuals, want to be close to Apple campus, and you can make a lot of money that way.
Absolutely. Now, another factor is school districts. So some of the top school districts in the Austin metro area are Lake Travis ISD, Leander ISD, Round Rock ISD, and Dripping Springs ISD.
Yes.
So when you buy your house, if you buy your house in these 4 school districts, you know that 5 years from now, most of the buyers that are going to buy your house when you move on are families.
Right.
And the #1 consideration of many of the buyers that we work with at the Austin City Brothers is schools.
Yes.
So you want to look at these top school districts as a key factor for where you buy and where you live. So let's start with Lake Travis ISD.
So Lake Travis ISD, 3 of the neighborhoods that we want to mention. By the way, this is more for the people that want to have a safe investment.
Yeah.
Like, then you know that the schools are not going anywhere and they're going to stay an attraction.
Yeah.
So these communities that we're going to mention have a lot of brand new home inventories. And right now there's just a lot of good opportunities. For example, Rough Hollow is a really, really great community. We have a video about that one, which you can check out. Sweetwater, Province in Lake Travis ISD. These are the brand new developments that have a lot of nice new homes that 10 years from now, they're going to be a good investment.
Absolutely. And Dripping Springs ISD is the beautiful part of the hill country, 30 minutes west of Austin. We have Headwaters Master Plan Community, Calaterra Community, and Belterra. Any one of these communities are going to be amazing places to live and also great appreciation value in the next 5 to 10 years. And then finally, we have Leander ISD and Round Rock ISD. So Round Rock is literally one of the top rated school districts.
Yes. For example, Westwood High School always has a Harvard or MIT students that they announce that they're going to those schools.
Exactly. Yeah. So in the Leander area, we have the Treviso Master Plan Community, excellent access to both Leander and Cedar Park ISD. Avery Ranch, and the Brushy Creek area too is also really good school district connected to Round Rock ISD. And we also have an honorable mention, Saul's Ranch, which is a brand new development that just started about a year ago with Milestone Builder and Coventry Builder right behind the Brushy Creek trails.
It actually has an access to the trail system of Brushy Creek, which is one of the biggest attractions in North Austin.
Absolutely, yeah. So school districts is a very important factor. And number 4 is the quality of the builder and the floor plan. You want to make sure that you're using a really good builder and also a timeless floor plan.
Yes. Some floor plans are just trendy.
They're just awkward, but people are liking it right now, but it doesn't necessarily have that timeless appeal.
Yes. A couple of the factors that you can pay attention to make sure that you get a floor plan that is timeless is simplicity
and symmetry.
Symmetry has been around since the Roman times.
Yeah. And building materials like hardwood floors and marble and quartz countertops and granite, like make sure you have these beautiful, timeless quality materials in your home.
Yeah, which is going to help your home hold its value long term.
And work with top tier builders. At the Austin City Brothers, we have relationships with all the builders in the area. I've worked with most of them, and we understand all the qualities and the differences in the builders like Toll Brothers, Perry Homes, Coventry Homes, and David Weekley. In these neighborhoods that we mentioned in Lake Travis ISD, Leander, and Dripping Springs, these are some of our favorite builders to work with, and they have some very good architecture too. So reach out to us. If you have any questions, click that link tree below and we'll help you get started.
To unpack these builders, for example, David Weekley uses 2x6s instead of 2x4s on their outside walls, which means more insulation on the exterior walls. Not every builder does that.
Yeah.
Perry Homes, they use large windows in the front of their home and in the back also, which allows a lot of natural light. Lighting has been part of architecture since such a long time, and it's going to stay there for.
Yeah, Toll Brothers is America's #1 luxury builder, and they use some of the highest quality standards in construction.
Yes. The last element we want to talk about are the amenities. Not only the amenities that the neighborhood offers as like amenity centers like pools and playgrounds, but also the shops and nearby attractions, for example, like the parks.
Yeah, some of the neighborhoods we mentioned, the shops are right by the neighborhoods. You have access to the grocery stores, convenience stores, drugstores, but areas like Treviso, it's 15 minutes away because commercial development has not quite caught up yet to that neighborhood. So not yet. Give us another 3 to 5 years from the filming of this video. So getting great amenities and access to shops is also an important factor. It's not the most important, like we mentioned in the first 3 elements, but it's a key factor in making your decision. Amenities and shops.
So yes, like for example, when you're trying to sell your home, you can advertise 5 minutes from the grocery store, 3 minutes from the Brushy Creek Park. And these are selling points that will attract the new buyers to your home and maybe even encourage them to pay a few extra $1,000 for your home.
Yeah. And when you're buying your home, don't work with a realtor, work with a real estate advisor, someone who understands the geography, the timing, the location, the builders, the financial status, where you are financially, how you can make the best investment, timing your purchase. All these things come together in helping you make the best purchase for you and your family. We would love to serve you, so make sure to check out the summary below this video for more information, and we will see you in the next video.
Yes, we're open to have a conversation with you and help you with your next purchase. See you in the next video.